learning how to write letters and numbers right now, and he's been exploring his creativity, learning to draw all kinds of things. That's why Ander absolutely loves the Play and Trace drawing kit, and so do I. It offers hours of endless fun without screen time. I think we can all agree that it's much needed these days. The transparent tablet comes with multiple templates for tracing letters, numbers, or illustrations, or you can trace over anything. We love to use this feature for handwriting practice or tracing over coloring book pages that Ander loves. When he's done tracing, being able to quickly erase with the push of a button is ideal. No mess for us to clean up. And the long-lasting batteries means I never have to worry about charging. The included stylus has a holder to keep track of it. Or you can write with anything from a pen cap to their fingernails. The Play and Trace is durable and lightweight. Durable enough to deal with my kids using it constantly for hours of imaginative play, and lightweight enough for Ander to easily hold it and transport it on the go. The Play and Trace truly goes everywhere with us. If you're looking for ways to help your kid explore their creativity through tracing, the Play and Trace drawing kit is what you need. Click to learn more and order yours today.